हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं रवि राजपूत। आज बात करने वाला हूं आरईसी आजमगढ़ पास आउट मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट के मिस्टर शिखर द्विवेदी सर के बारे में। तो चलिए फिर आज शिखर द्विवेदी सर के साथ इंटरव्यू हो जाए। तो मैं सर के बारे में बता देता हूं। सर कानपुर से बिलोंग करते हैं एंड स्कूलिंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल, फाउंडर एंड मेंबर नर्चर एंड यांत्रिकी क्लब ऑफ कॉलेज एंड ऑर्गेनाइज 10+ इवेंट्स इन कॉलेज, सेलेक्टेड फॉर 12 जॉब ड्यूरिंग ग्रेड डेज। सर ने बाईजूस को ज्वाइन किया एंड उसके कुछ समय बाद बाईजूस को क्विट भी किया। उसके बाद सर एडुटेक ऐप पर काम कर रहे हैं एंड लीडो एजुकेशन एज ए टीचर टीचिंग किड्स ऑनलाइन पर भी काम कर रहे हैं। तो आज सर से बात करने वाले हैं बीटेक लाइफ के बारे में एंड स्टडी स्ट्रेटेजी एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल एंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं। हाउ आर यू सर?
Hi Ravi, I am doing absolutely fine and hope the same for you as well.
सर अबाउट योर बीटेक लाइफ।
When it comes to talking about my BTech life, it was overall good. We saw a lot of ups and downs in our education life, but bachelor comes once. So it was overall good. First year in Gorakhpur was awesome. Then coming to your own campus can't be explained in words. Moreover than classes and college, I miss my room. I made the fullest of it, and the best part of my BTech life was the masti I did, the enjoyment, the study strategy. Talking about it is like, okay, you are there for study, but make the best out of it as well. So that after 4 years, when you are out of the campus, you don't regret like, कि मैंने मस्ती नहीं करी, मैंने enjoy नहीं किया, मैंने दोस्तों के साथ नहीं घूमा, मैंने बाहर नहीं गया, ऐसा कुछ ना हो. And in those 4 years, you live your life. 4 years not a small time. From being a school student to a college grad student, then stepping into a job atmosphere, BTech makes you a man, a professional person. And in terms of women, it would be like it makes you a complete woman as well. And talking about my study strategy, okay, my study strategy wasn't as much. I believed in developing my skills. I believed in grooming myself. I didn't believe in studying those and ratifying those books. I managed a good percentage as well as a score without any backlog. The best part was quantum helped me a lot, and I believed in grooming. I don't believe in marks. I don't believe in percentage, and which helped me gaining a lot of jobs. As you must be aware of the fact that at the time I graduated, I had 10 to 12 jobs in my hand, out of which I chose Byju's and joined it. And now again I am working on myself and grooming me again and again to step by step to brush up my skills and be the best out of me. Thank you.
Sir, about your study strategy.
So you talk about my study strategy. Quantum was my only strategy. I didn't appear for GATE. I didn't appear for any examination. I was always focused on skills than those marks and examinations. Earning money is something which you can earn without any maximum effort. You have to make an input and you will definitely get output. Just be the best who you are. Don't copy anyone. Don't go like he is like that, he is doing that, I should do that. No, it's not needed. What is needed is that who you are. And that's what I believed. So my study strategy, quantum, get marks, pass out, get job, be happy and enjoy.
Sir, about your internship.
So talking about my internship, I did it from a government institution named Small Arms Factory. I was always fascinated about guns and weapons. That brought me to Small Arms Factory. And internship is something which makes you aware of the global atmosphere outside those 4 boundaries of your college. As my faculty used to say, इस 4 दीवारी के बाहर निकलोगे तो अपनी असली औकात पता चलेगी. That was absolutely right, which I faced in my training period. I got a lot to learn, and yes, internship is very important. You must do it, and must do it with a sense of belongingness to that institute. कहीं से भी करो, कभी भी करो, but do it with 100% honesty. You will find people, you will find your batchmates जो सर्टिफिकेट अरेंज कर लेंगे, जो ये कहते हैं कि सिर्फ एक सर्टिफिकेट अरेंज करो और आ जाओ. नहीं, वो आपको ग्रूम करने के लिए है. फोकस करो इंटर्नशिप पे, इंटर्नशिप अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट से करो, अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से करो, अच्छी कंपनी से करो. इफ़ यू आर अ मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट, गो फॉर DLW, go for PSUs, try for IITs, try for NITs, any place, but do it with honesty. If you are a civil engineering student, not my cup of tea. And if you are an IT graduate, then I would suggest you to go for private organizations. Yes, they milk you out. वो आपके अंदर से सब निचोड़ लेंगे, बट दे गोना ट्रेन यू इन द बेस्ट possible way available in the society. So yes, focus on your internship, do it well, and if in future you need any help, do drop me. I have contacts of around 35 plus HRs. I will help you get a better internship opportunity as well as a job opportunity.
सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हाउ टू इम्प्रूव कम्युनिकेशन स्किल.
So again, talking about communication skills and digital marketing. Digital marketing is a very vast field. I'm currently working on it. I'm pursuing my dream to be a digital marketer. I'm working on it. I'm learning a fact, but I don't go for online courses. I believe in searching new horizons. New horizons meet you, the new you. So find yourself inside you and you will get the best out of it. And coming to communication skills, you need to read a lot. People say मेरी English अच्छी नहीं है, I belong to a village, I belong to this place, I belong to that place, but those 4 years are in your hand. उस 4 सालों में मेहनत कर लो ताकि 4 साल बाद ये ना कह पाओ मैं यूपी बोर्ड से पढ़ा था. Yes, I belong to a good school, I belong to a good city, I belong to everywhere best, but I worked on myself. People get the things I have, they belong to the same places, but there was a difference. I worked on myself, they didn't. I choose to develop, they didn't. So don't be like me or don't be like them. Be the way you are. And yes, work on it. Digital marketing, find new sources, find new places, new campaignings, and that's all digital marketing is. आप कैसे अपने आप को प्रमोट करते हो, आप कैसे अपने आप को बेच पाते हो, आप कैसे अपने प्रोडक्ट को बेच पाते हो, यही डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है बिना फील्ड पे जाए. Yes, I worked in field work and I believe now this system, this internet belongs to me. And when it comes to communication skills, read and read books, novels, newspapers, content, any sort of language you have, just read it out. Hindi, English, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, German, French, it doesn't matter what you are reading. What you are understanding, it's important. And at the end, when you are appearing for any examination, whether it's a corporate examination or a government examination, your comprehension gets you selected. Comprehend and get selection. That's what banking sector and other sector says. So to comprehend, you need to read a lot. And communication skill improve तभी होंगे जब आप पढ़ोगे और अपने दोस्तों से बात करोगे उस भाषा में. So whether it is English, whether it is Hindi, speak confidently, bring in confidence, believe in you, and when you will believe in yourself, you will be the best part. Thank you.
Sir, about your job experience in Byju's company.
So talking about my Byju's experience, it was the best I could ever live. As I told you, during my 4 years of BTech, I only spent time on grooming myself. I gave around 400 plus Skype interviews, plus Duo interviews, and all sort of video conferencing available. And I used to arrange data for it. You all people are living in good conditions, but we faced a lot. And I groomed myself, and which brought me to Byju's. I competed around amongst 1,000 students to get that job. And yes, I was fortunate enough to get selected. That life of 3.5 months which I served for Byju's was the best I could ever live. You get to lot to know and learn about the corporate culture, and the best part is the salary. Yes, I was on a package of a 10 LPA. I got it for granted, I guess. I was fortunate enough to be selected, na? Yeah. And they groom you. They make you a complete professional. Corporates are meant for it. And yes, they brush your skills, but you need to have skills for that. Corporates are not some random houses जो आपको पैसा दे देंगे, आप जाएंगे, आप कमाएंगे. No. For a better salary, you need to be a better person. And talking about my Byju's, I quit around in September, but my experience letter says October, just because my company didn't accept my letter for around 18 days. I got around 10 to 12 calls from senior management as well. Even Mrinal Mohit and your Sajesh Nambiar messaged in my praises. They are the CFO and CEO of the company. And but the thing was, I have to quit, and I quit it just because I need to brush my skills. I believe in grooming. I don't believe in like being on a track and just running and fetching money and fetching bread. Fetching bread is very easy. You can earn money anywhere you want out of the skills you have. But yes, Byju's is number one in the edtech field just because it has the product and it has people. People comes out of you people and me. So yes, those 4 years are important. Groom yourself, choose a company and be for it. Don't believe like a company will come a random day, you will be in final year and you will be selected. No, you will not be selected. For granted, teachers may help you out, get a job of 10 to 12, 15,000, 18,000, but Delhi, you won't be able to survive in 10 to 15,000. To survive in a salary of a lakh or around that, you need to work. So please do work. Thank you.
सर कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस से रिलेटेड लोगों के लिए कोई मैसेज, क्योंकि लोगों को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि हम अपनी लाइफ को कैसे सर्वाइव करें, क्योंकि सब कुछ तो बंद हो गया और एक तरीके से माइंड बिल्कुल ब्लॉक हो गया कोरोना वायरस की वजह से कि हम क्या करें, नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमारे क्या होना चाहिए। तो सर इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
So corona virus is an outbreak all around the world. Everyone is struggling. Everyone is facing ills and outs. But it's a golden chance you people have. And also me, I also have. You can develop your skills, you can develop new talents, you can explore new horizons. You have the time. You can't regret. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरी क्लासेस है, मुझे असाइनमेंट्स करना है, मुझे होमवर्क करना है, मुझे क्लासेस लेनी है, मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. You have internet, you have your mobile, you have the opportunity, you have the time. Now decision is yours. Yes, coronavirus is the outbreak. Stay home, stay safe, and search the new you. And please, coronavirus को इतना heavy मत लीजिए. It's a very light thing. If you are in, you are safe. And if you are going out, you are risking yourself. So believe in government. Download Arogya Setu app. It says it's for detecting public information or private information. It doesn't matter. If you are sharing your mobile number with Facebook and WhatsApp, then trust your government once. Just believe in them and believe in the medical facilities India have. We will develop a vaccine soon and coronavirus gonna evade out of India. And yes, this is the golden chance. Don't lose it out. You won't find it in your entire life. This place is like a Halley's Comet. 70-75 years, it's not gonna come back. So make the best out of it.
सर कोई ऐसी बात या फिर कोई ऐसा टिप्स जो सभी के लिए बेटर हो तो सर ज़रूर बताइए ऐसे टिप्स के बारे में।
Okay, so some tips for the upcoming generations of REC Azamgarh. Dude, you are at a place जो cities से well connected नहीं है, internet से well connected नहीं है. But can you regret it now? You are in second year, third year, you are coming in first years. Can you regret it now? No, na. Then make the best out of it. जाइए बाहर, एक्सप्लोर करिए, इंटरनेट की दुनिया में खोइए खुद को और वहाँ से वो हीरा तलाश के लाइए जिसके लिए लोग समुद्र में गोते लगाते हैं. उस मोती को ढूंढिए और उसको वो आप पाएंगे, आपको वो मिलेगा. एंड यस, मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. डोंट लेट द टाइम गो. ये 4 साल लौट के नहीं आएंगे. आपको जो करना है करिए, आपको जो पढ़ना है पढ़िए, जिसके लिए वहाँ है उससे ईमानदारी रखिए, पेरेंट्स से ईमानदारी रखिए, अपने दोस्तों से ईमानदारी रखिए, जो भी करना है. लाइक आई एन्जॉयड माई लाइफ, आई वोंट रिग्रेट इट एवर. माई बैचलर्स वॉज द बेस्ट फॉर मी एंड द अपकमिंग लाइफ ऑल्सो. पीपल से टू मी कि आपने इतना बड़े पैकेज का जॉब क्विट कर दिया, आपको लगता नहीं है कि नहीं करना चाहिए था. मैंने अपने ऊपर भरोसा किया कि हाँ, लाइफ में इससे बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आई कैन क्रिएट फॉर माई सेल्फ. So yes, that trust you're gonna develop on yourself only when you will work hard. So please do work hard. Be polite to yourself. Please don't be harsh कि मैं 18 घंटे मेहनत करूँगा, मैं 12 घंटे मेहनत करूँगा. अपनी हैसियत पहचानिए कि what you are meant for, what you are there for, and you will get the best. And my best wishes are with you. All the best.
सर यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब के लिए बोल दीजिए.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you for inviting me for the interview. And as for subscription, भाव वही अल्फाज नए दुनिया को मिलने चाहिए। अब यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो लाइक करते जाइए। डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू सो मच।
आप सभी लोग भी वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड शेयर करें। और हाँ, सर ने भी अभी अपना यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट किया, तो सर के चैनल को भी ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और सर का चैनल का लिंक मैंने बायो में दिया है, तो ज़रूर से ज़रूर उस चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो देखें, कमेंट करें सर की वीडियोज़ पर भी और लाइक करें और वीडियोज़ को शेयर भी करें। थैंक यू दोस्तों। जय हिंद, जय भारत।